Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the magic function on the Visoir application to remove the background of your picture. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then select a picture from your gallery. After that, click on the magic button down below, which is the second option. As you can see, the magic function is being applied. So here you can see that the background has been removed. If you want to refine it, tap on the refine button, and here you can erase further parts from your picture. Here you can select the softness and the size of your eraser. So here you can see how it is applied. So that's how you can erase parts. If you want to reset it, tap on the reset button, and if you want to restore it, you can use the restore button, and that's how you can restore certain parts of your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.